Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made delicious Dalgona coffee-inspired Vietnamese coffee cupcakes. These cupcakes are so easy to make. First, I started out using the Dalgona coffee method by using the Vietnamese instant coffee mix. This instant coffee mix didn't cream all the way, which is totally fine because then I added it into the cupcake batter. So in a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients, including the Vietnamese iced coffee mixture that I just made. Then I added the dry ingredients. So for my recipe, I used almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, just replace it with all-purpose flour. So after everything is well incorporated, I bake the cupcakes in a Babycakes cupcake maker. Now if you don't have one of those, don't worry about it, just bake it in a regular oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once these yummy Vietnamese coffee cupcakes cooled completely, I decorated the top with regular vanilla buttercream frosting and then dusted the top with cocoa powder. If you want to make these delicious cupcakes, the list of ingredients is in the video description. So have you tried Vietnamese coffee before? If so, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.